Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're looking at a Brother MFC-7440 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you print from your computer, everything looks fine, you're not having any issues, but as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan of something, then you start getting streaks or lines or little blotchy spots. That's going to mean there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So depending on how you're doing those copies or scans, when you're noticing those defects, whether you're using the document scanner or if you're using the flatbed scanner, it kind of helps you determine what piece of glass you need to clean. This particular model has two separate pieces of glass that you need to clean. If you're using the document feeder, then this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer, that's going to be the strip of glass that you want to focus on the most. If you notice it when you're doing the flatbed scanning, then obviously you need to focus on that piece of glass. But usually if you're cleaning one, might as well clean both just to make sure that there's nothing there. The best way to clean the scanner glass, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, rubbing alcohol works really well as well. And a lint-free cloth. And you always want to apply the cleaner directly to the cloth, never to the glass. If you apply it to the glass, there's a good chance you could actually make it a lot bigger of a problem than you started with. So, in this case, we were seeing most of our defects when we ran it through the document feeder on the top of the printer. So, we're just going to clean it really well. If you're looking for any kind of like ink buildup or whiteout or just a big heavy smudge, anything like that, and make sure you get it all off of there. And then just kind of look it over, see if you missed anything. If so, or if you're not happy with the way it looks, just go ahead and clean it one more time. And like I said, while we're here, might as well go ahead and clean that flatbed just to try to keep anything from happening or showing up later. And then once you're done, just kind of give it a once over, make sure you're happy with the way everything looks, you're not seeing any defects or any splotches or anything on the glass. And then go ahead and run a couple copy scans or just to make sure that you're happy with the way everything looks. If you're still seeing any kind of lines or any kind of spotty images when you run a copy or make a scan, then I'd go ahead and clean it one more time, and that should take care of it and you'll be back up and printing.